Hello and welcome again. Very often we see that the structured data is transferred from one location to other through a file known as comma separated values or a CSV. A CSV file stores the data in a table format. That is, the file would have columns and rows, and every column value is separated by a delimiter, which in this case is a comma. In this video, we will show you how to read data from a CSV file using the R programming language. R has a native function to read a CSV data file, and all we need is to use that function, which is read.csv. This function essentially requires an argument to be passed to it. This argument is the name of the file. It also requires, although not compulsory, the path to the file, only in the case when the file is located at a path which is not R's current working directory. We will explore these options later in this course, but for the simplicity at this stage, I will pass the argument, the actual path where the CSV file is located, and the name of the file that has to be read. But first, I would like to show you where data is located. So if I hit Ctrl plus O to open the folder location, clearly it is on a desktop in a folder datasets, and the name of the file which we are interested into is google.csv. I close this and come back to the command that I have written already. Let me explain you what this command is. The first thing is the object or the vector in which data will be read and stored, in this case Google. Next are the assignment operator and the function name read.csv. The last part is within the code the file argument. Basically the complete path where the file is located and the name of the file. The whole command can be summarized as what we are asking R to store the data into an object after reading it from a CSV file located at this path. To execute a command in R, you have a couple of options. Either you select the complete line that you want to execute and hit the button run as shown over here, or place the cursor anywhere on the line at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end, it doesn't matter where, and hit the button run. When I do that, the function has read the file from the location and stored the data into the object Google. As we can see, it has been created in the environment and it is available to us. An alternate option is to use keyboard and in specific Ctrl plus Enter keys to execute the command. Let me just clean the environment to show you alternate option. I will highlight the command that I want to execute and run Ctrl plus Enter keys from my keyboard. And we can see the execution has taken place. The object is created with 7 columns and 3625 observations read from the file from that location. We will talk about this data later in the course. Congratulations! You just have completed the first task of reading data from a CSV into an R object. In the next video, we will learn to load data from another format, an Excel spreadsheet. Thank you.